was today years old when I found out that Python came with SQLite, which is really cool. So I've been messing around with it. Just created a new database right here. And yeah, I also have documentation pulled up. So yeah, let's learn SQLite a little bit. So I already have it set up where basically the way how it works is that you import the module, and then this is optional, and then what you do, you create a connection, and then that connection contains a parameter called db name, and then isolation. I got this from like a blog, but it's optional. But the connect, you need the database name, and then it also has a cursor, and then with that cursor you're able to execute your queries. So what we can do is that since we just created a new database, it doesn't have any tables, so I'm going to say from, select everything from, I'm going to call this table, so I'll call it Daniel database. Let's just say I'm creating a password manager. I'm going to say, let's just call it passwords, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do cursor dot execute, make it multi-line, and then inside here I'm going to do, actually wait, let's learn some SQL commands first. Actually, really, Wi-Fi ain't working, bro. Come on, while I'm recording. Okay. Alright, there we go, fix. So yeah, we're gonna do how you create a new table, because I don't remember. Doesn't say it here at the top. Yeah, create table. Alright, so create table, table name. So I'm gonna do create table passwords, right? And then you need the column and the data type. Alright, so what are the data types of SQL then? Alright, let's just Google that. Oh wow, in the so where was it? Oh, it's at the bottom. Oh, it's at the bottom. I didn't see it. So string data types, you have numeric data types. Let's just do ID, int, primary key. I think you can do that. Let's do not null, primary key. See if that works, hopefully. Then next up, so each password you need an ID. We also want this website name. That should be let me see the string data types. String data types, you have char, var, a variable length string containing letters, numbers, size parameter, binary of tiny blob. Alright, let's do varchar. Yeah. Varchar 255. Cool. And then also you need this URL. That can also be varchar 255, and then let's keep looking, and then the password itself. So that'll be varchar 255. So yeah, the ID, the website name, URL, the password itself. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's do try, and then I don't know what kind of error this would give, so I'm just gonna say print database error. I don't know what kind of error I'm going to give. Then we can do else. Let's save, see if it works. Run. There we go, table created. Nice. So table has been created. If we are to open anyway, yeah, it does that. Let's go. Alright, now we need to insert cursor execute. Let's do insert into passwords. Alright, so how do you now insert values now? How do you insert into passwords, specify the column? Just need website underscore name, URL, and then the password. Values. Let's do chess.com because I made a chess.com API project if you guys haven't seen that already. And then this is going to be chess.com. Let me just copy the link. Let's just be that. And then password. Alright, this is going to be, I'm not going to give Oh, that's what we should have added. Username. Should add that too. Oops. Anyways, how does the night move? We save, we run. Oh, database error. Alright, what's the error? There's an error. Oh, I think the semicolon. Alright, let's run that again. No, database error. What's the error? What's the error? Misspell a column wrong? Okay, something is wrong. Alright, I'm gonna remove the exception handling. Alright, run. What's wrong? Line 8, no constraint failed. Passwords.id. So won't it automatically like increment though? I guess I've specified that. ID. Let's see if that works. There we go. Now it works. Strange. I thought it would. Alright. I think it's the not null thing. That's why. Yeah, look. I'm learning SQL for the first time, okay? Like, I've never used it before. A field with a null value is a field with no value. If a field in a table is not optional, just posting such record the record ID. That's strange because like so that means each time you have to give like an ID to it. Like, I thought you would auto increment. Let's drop table, I guess. Drop table. So you do that. So I'll just drop table name. So drop table passwords. No such table. Alright, so it worked. Table has been dropped. So if you come here, it's still there. Strange. Yeah, so it worked. For some reason in the database, like it still shows it. Like that's strange because I just dropped the table. So I can do name though from SQLite underscore master. That should show all the database. I should have done that from the beginning, but alright. This is integer. Let me try integer, not no primary key. I earned this. Nice. So now you can see the passwords table right there. Now do insert into passwords. Move this so it will create another table. Save, run. Alright, this time it works for some reason. This time it works. So I don't know what happened before. This time it does work. This time it does work. So I don't know. I might need to look back on the report and see what I did. But yeah, and then we can do like, let's say, what do I use often? YouTube. Password. I love YouTube. Save. Run. Bam. Now it works. You can make a cool project with this. Maybe like a password manager of some sorts. Yeah, this is cool. SQLite. I love it. I approve. I like this a lot. You can see the data right there somewhere. Yeah, I think we might need to install the command line tool, so yeah, I can do some other stuff, but no, like SQLite is fun. It's pretty fun. So yeah, so let me know what you think and peace out.